Alright, you guys, I just cashed a $2,600 ticket. I want to show y'all something. Let's go this here, boom, 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 boom. 18 up there. Look at this roll I'm having though. I mean, talking about hard ways galore. Hard 8, hard 8. Going all the way back here. 6, 6, hard 8, hard 8. Hard 6, hard 8, hard 6. Unbelievable roll. Another hard 8. I'm having a pretty damn good roll, y'all. Actually, let's see. You know what? Let's see. Set our bets on. Let's clear. We got 929. But it's been so cold. Let's see. What we're going to do, we're going to bet until the lucky shooter comes down. So the deal we're going to do, make it a deal. I'm going to keep doing it. When this comes down, we'll print the ticket. All right, let's go. New roll. 1-1. Panoramic view. 3. We actually lost money on that. It was only 12, but we had 18 up there. Let's put another dollar on it. I want to hit this. This weekend has been so ugly, and right now it's the hottest it's been all weekend, and it's literally 10:07, which is 11/12/107 back here in Indy on Sunday or Monday basically. All right, let's see if I stay hot. All right, 7, good time for it. And I actually hit the side button. I've been hitting this button, so we're gonna go back to this button. 7 there too. I love when it's like this on the come out roll, you guys, because it's been overdue. That's 2 back to back. Let's put another dollar up here. Alright, so what we're gonna do, y'all, that's 3 in a row. We're gonna clear. Last bet. We're gonna take the ticket. Since we only started it. That's been one of my problems. With discipline here, the beating wouldn't have been so bad, but I don't ever take it. So we just cashed in a $900 ticket, a $2,600 ticket, and I just got to look at it. Slow grind is better than nothing. The limit is only 1,000 anyway, so it's cool. Quarter. You don't feel as bad if you lose, you know. Let's go 15, 18. 4 there, boom, 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 boom. I'm working coming out, but I don't have the pressure on me no more. The money is so low. It was low work. Now that was stupid. That was stupid. Let's not start. Let's get back to common sense. Let's not work on the come out roll. That's 4 sevens in a row. Definitely overdue. Repeat last bet. 3, 3. 1, 1, 1. All right. 1 minute. All right, let's go. 11. All right, let's go ahead. 10 on it. Repeat. 3 there. 3 more there. And put on 3 on all these. 242 action. All right, we rolled a 9. Let's take our 4 down. 3 there. Quarter there. It's a glare in it, but you guys can still make out what's going on. All right, let's go. Hard 10. Woo. 5 sevens. All right. Well, the beautiful thing is, hey, actually, I'm going to share something with you guys. I've never wanted to say it. I really believe these machines down here are rigged, because yet have I been able to put a bunch on here and get it off. Like, execute with a lot out here. It has not happened yet. We're going to try this button here, the only one we have not tried. These other 2 are tricky. Alright, we worked on the come out, and we got that one off. So let's go 35 there, 3 here, 3 here. Let's go 5, 5, 5, 5. Press both of those to 5, and 5 on that 10. So we got 233 action. might have our mojo back. I want to hit this so bad, that lucky shooter. Like y'all seen me do it before for good money. All right, we're going to go 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and 4 there. So we're up to 314. Same left button. All right, so we lost the lucky shooter. Let's go another 33. What sucks is normally when I bet, that's better 3. When you see a horn, you're supposed to bet a horn. Still hitting this button here. We hit an 8. Quarter, 25 more than 8. 10 on the hard 8. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 340 is what we're up to. Left button. I love those hard ways, y'all. Let's go up 50 bucks. Make that 25. Let's go 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. We're up to 513. Let's see if I can make this click. All right, a little better. Left button. Hard 8 back to back. Not a hard 10. Okay. We don't have a lucky shooter, so let's max the 10 on out. 200. Change on hard 10. 200. We found the right button, you guys. Left side. Hard 8 again. 11. Remember, y'all, I said when you see a horn, bet a horn. Take the 4 down. We took it off the 4, 667. Guaranteed 4 this roll. Only because I took it down. Okay, we hit the point. It's 9. So let's see what we got. We're up to 751. We can go again. Let's go 20 up here on that. Let's go 5 and 2. We know it likes 9. Oh, I was working. Oh my God, I gotta pay attention. I didn't know I was working on that. That could have really cost me. Wow. Let's go 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Let's go 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. I'm stalling because I heard his machine call the ugly number. Let's go 3, 3, 3. All right, you guys, we're up to, you can see it, 831. And the point is 9. We like 9. We like 9, people. So we're going to take 6 to quarter. Let's go, I'll make 6 and 8 look the same. 31, 31. We got 40 left. Let's go 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Let's put 3, 3, 3, 3. We got 3 left. Let's put it on the horn just in case. 931. Trying to hit the lucky shooter. Anything hard will work. We hit a 3. So we hit a 3. Press it up 3. Let's put 3 on 5, 3 on 4. We're up to 920. Please place your bet. Back to back. Let's press 9 and 5, 5 each. Let's go 1, 1, 1, 1. We got 4 left. 1, 1, 1, 1. We got 938. Still left tapping where we got the good luck at. All right, you guys. Now, it's all about money management. We're up to 14. Let's take it. Let's take it. Let's take it. I cannot believe as cold as it's been, now it wants to get hot. So, alright. Let's get all our money back, people. It's showtime. Alright. Quarter. Let's move this. So we cashed in. We got 9 something in cash, 26 in cash. 14, another 9. Okay. Alright, boom, 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 boom. Let's put 3 on all these. 3 on the hard 8, 3 on the hard 8, 3 on the hard 6, 3 more on the hard 6. Let's go back to the left button that's been working.
3 clubs. Come away.
Alright, let's take 3 off R4. Put it there. We're going to switch to this one. Why? I just feel something. You would say stay with the left.